PZOZ1M2M magnetic cable micro USB Type-C fast charging micro USB Type-C magnetic charger wire USB-C for iPhone 11 XXR USB cable. Specifications. Brand name, PZOZ. Surface material, nylon. Connector A, USB A. Maximum current, 3A. Connector B, Lightning. Connector B, Type-C. Connector B, micro USB. Has retail package, yes. Features, magnetic. Features, 2-in-1. Features, 3-in-1. Features, illuminated. Features, with LED indicator. Features, with C94. Function, magnetic cable Type-C, micro USB, lighting. Function 1, for iPhone 11 Pro Max XXS Max XR8766S plus 55s SE cable cord. Function 2, for Samsung Galaxy S10 S10e S10 plus S9 S9 plus S8 S8 plus S7 S6 Note 876 cables. Function 3, for Xiaomi Mi 9 8 SE 6 Redmi 5 plus 4X4A 5A Note 44X6 7 Pro charger. Function 4, for Xiaomi Poco Phone F1 Redmi Note 7 6 Pro Mi A1 A2 Mix 2S. Function 5, for Huawei Meizu Sony HTC Nokia Motorola USB cable. Function 6, for Huawei Mate 3020 Pro P20 P10 P9 Honor V20 V10. Pictures overview.
Summer breeze came from the sea. Nighttime dances, colored pills. Morning sex under the tree. All in all, it was my fault. Don't you see I'm feeling blue? But he believes in oil and gold, while I believe in you. I don't mind.
Price, $3. Check description for purchase link. Thanks for watching.